Maky.
It's Meredith.
And it's Evan. And today we're going to be telling you the do's and don'ts of how to get your professor to like you. So, let's go. Okay, y'all. So the first thing you have to know how to do is write your emails correctly to your professors. It's a pretty big deal. So here's how you should write your emails. Once you've selected the professor you're going to email, make sure you always have a subject, and make sure the subject is super clear so the professor knows exactly what they're getting themselves into. Always address them as doctor. They did not go through that much schoolwork not to be called doctor. Imagine going to the doctor's office and calling them Brian. You wouldn't do that. So address the professors with the same amount of respect. They worked really hard. So Dr. Jackson. Then go to your next one. And always at the beginning of your email, let them know what class you're in. I know sometimes we forget that we're not their only students and we're not in their only class. So let's say, good evening. There's an example of a pretty straightforward email. Just don't use slang. Always address them as doctor if they have their PhD. Be professional, and make the email as quick and precise as possible. Don't beat around the bush. If you have something to say or something to ask, just ask it. And yeah, there is my tip and trick for helping you write an email to your professor.
Alright guys, another really important thing is to read the syllabus before emailing professors. It has a lot of information inside of it. So if you have any questions, it might just be in there before you email them. Don't be on your phone. Teachers can see if you're on your phone, especially if it's a dark classroom. Your phone's gonna light up like no one's business. Don't be on your phone. Don't try to be sneaky about it. They can see. They have TAs all around the classroom. They know if you're on your phone. Pay attention in class. There's a reason you're in class, sitting, trying to learn. So if you're on your phone, texting, you're boothing, you're not going to be able to pay attention.
So yeah, go introduce yourself to the professors if you haven't yet. It's very easy, just a simple, "Hi, my name's Maky Haynes. I'm a communication studies major. I'm excited to take your class." See, now Meredith likes me even more. Go do it. Go introduce yourself to your professors.
Something else your professors love is whenever you come to office hours. It's really important because at the end of the semester, whenever you might need an extra point or two and you went to office hours, they're more likely to bump your grade up.
If you want your professor to like you, don't annoy them. Remember the rule, ask 3 before you ask me. So go to your syllabus, ask 3 friends, ask your TA, and then ask your professor. Don't email them right off the bat because it's probably in the syllabus. Your friends might know, and the TA probably has a better answer.
This isn't just a college thing. This is an everybody thing. Don't be a distraction in class. Nobody likes that. Nobody asks for that. First of all, if all the students in your class don't like you, how are you going to form a study group? Second of all, if your professor understands that you're distracting the class, or you're on your laptop all the time, you're playing Pop Tropica in class instead of paying attention, then they're not going to like you. So don't be a distraction. Pay attention. Put your phone down. Even, it's just like 50 minutes, y'all. Just pay attention. You're paying like $50 a class to be there, so zone in.
Don't be too cool for school. Always participate in class. Teachers are actually wanting your opinions in the class. So whenever they ask a question, raise your hand and answer it. That's such an important thing to remember and to tell all your friends because they actually want to hear your feedback and know if you're understanding the class.
So here's the thing. Your professors have created your syllabus, they've created the grading rubric, all that stuff before you ever walk into class. And on the very first day, they've probably told you everything you need to know about extra credit and their policies on that. Most professors don't offer extra credit, but they offer little tidbits along the way, like you can drop 2 of your lowest quiz grades, things like that. If your professors are going out of their way to offer you these things, don't ask for extra credit. You shouldn't need extra credit at the end of the semester if you've been working hard all semester, which is hard, and I know we all want that extra credit. But work hard during the semester so you don't need it at the end, because trust me, professors hate it. They do not like you asking for extra credit. Always ask how you can improve in the class. Don't ask for extra credit, because you feel like we don't deserve extra credit. It's extra for a reason. If they want to offer it, they will.
So guys, don't procrastinate with your work. It's very important that you do everything on time. Professors hate it whenever you don't get it done. Especially if you ask for extra credit like Maky said. They're more likely to not give it to you and not have consideration for your time because you didn't have consideration for their time.
Ooh, that was good.
Okay, if you use these 10 simple do's and don'ts, you'll be on your professor's good side in no time. Here at Texas Tech, we literally have some of the best professors. They love us and they work so hard, and they are very deserving of our time and attention.
It's very helpful to make sure that you follow all of these tips and to get on your professor's good side because it's not hard at all.
And we hope you guys really enjoyed this video.
We hope these tips and tricks helped you.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
So,
Rack 'em!
Even know it.